Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Parti Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Unit Kalaitarek Rompang Kaladawa Bo Dr. Mukul Sangmao Diban Hiar Shuki no Mardor Naka Shuki Menteri Rangba Kajala Hadian Bak Sarkar Kala Menjori Kaan Prevention of Disqualification Members of Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya Amendment Act Arja Khatsan Kabaka Yeng Bishar Kala Kentaj Bat Penkesan Pat Bakamdan Kano Kakam Bat Armaloy Ladau MLA Usha Jetru Kum MDC Habakren Shekinang Tok Kubor Presiden Rangba ka BJP Uba Shibun Lingdo Loong Bu Menteri Rangba ka Jalaw Lai Lekai Bat Kipat Ba ka Jala Da ka Bakongo ya ketekaan ka BJP kala kenoru bakajing menjur ka Sarkar ya ketukaan ka Longbej Persya ban pendo no ikit Autonomous District Council Uba David Cassidy General Secretary ka BJP ulai thu bakat kum karai jong ka Supreme Court kala kado bakakam MDC kamde Satya ka office yonong
representative who represent both MLA and MDC, 7 of them has to quit MDC. But in a long run, when this case has been passed by the assembly, then after some of the people who really agree with what Mukul has done by bringing that bill, 2015 12-post bill or something. But when it has gone to the High Court, from High Court it has been forwarded to Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, which is the highest authority to decide, they decide and they understand that MDC is not an office of profit, which is clearly says in the constitutions of India under Section under the clause 6A, it says the elected member of the district council shall hold office for a term of 5 years. Declared. They have declared. From the day they were elected, they were declared, you will be holding this post, MDC post, for the terms of 5 years. But in case of this, we feel very sorry as a party. Mukul Sangma, under what context and under what idea or plan, he bring this bill and pass in the assembly. But when you see, in reality, legislature should be the utmost body where the judiciary has to interpret what the legislature has passed. But in this case, it is proved that in the Meghalaya, Mukul Sangma, I don't know what he wants to do by bringing this bill. Only one person who understands, whom we can say he is a real he's a real legislator also. That is no doubt other than Bapak Chingai.
Kani gadega Pati CTV.